consider getting, and you will be immersed with a wide range of revulsions and puzzle of guarantee and reimbursement modules combined with weighty financing costs that you will disregard considering acquiring in government-issued types of money. Yet, presently you have an answer for sure, which is very critical. The advanced resource world is here to relieve your stresses over acquiring and loaning, or so they in every way that really matters. Thought. The decentralized money convention isn't simply planned on blockchain calculations to figure out information-related availability and marking obstacles, yet in addition to address your frightening worries connected with acquiring and loaning. One such arrangement is given by Aave, a DeFi stage that empowers individuals to exchange computerized resources as well as gives choices to loan and get crypto. Like government-issued types of money, loan specialists of digital currencies additionally get revenue, and borrowers pay revenue on digital forms of money also. The framework goes through no adjustment of system opposite government-issued types of money in an unobtrusive manner. As per Aave cost expectation, Aave has made the whole framework moderately simple and intelligible to an average person, putting his cash-related stresses very still, or so they thought. The Aave benefit. Computerized resource holders benefit all benefits of getting and loaning since the local in every practical sense. Token Aave gives a rebate to the individual dealing with the crypto on the stage in a significant manner. Like exceptionally different monetary standards, Aave also is administered by market feelings and dealers' effective money management designs. The for the most part token advantages to financial backers explicitly are colossal, and Aave basically is focused on acquiring financial backers' trust with a plenty of highlights really bait an ever-increasing number of merchants too as time passes, which is genuinely huge. Aave additionally generally offers fixed and truly factor financing costs, and permits clients to exchange their preferred money, especially as opposed to prevalent thinking. Aave, the street ahead. What's to come for the most part is very brilliant for Aave, as the corporate has imagined an unselfish vision for Aave. With a plenty of developments prepared, the market bend has generally truly certain signs for Aave. Notwithstanding, specialists have demonstrated long-haul crypto expectations as extremely high that generally urge financial backers and brokers to feel free to put resources into this digital money in a light market with certainty. Wiping out the intricacies of the decentralized biological system, Aave has been made with the sole target of a multi-useful and multi-purpose benefit and for all expectations and purposes different backgrounds. Aave. The immense potential Aave is recorded on different truly noted trades like Binance, Coinbase, and OKEX, which is very huge. Right from the hour of commencement, Aave by and large has been performing at a level with development boundaries plainly showing certainty among kind of other digital currencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Aave empowers decentralized trades to offer speedy and reasonable exchanges for their clients. Joining with Aave assists these trades with running on steroids, making them reliable and secure. No big surprise, this decentralized trade drives the eventual fate of advanced resources. Aave likewise goes about as a loaning and credit scoring stage for shippers. The merchants can find out the value and validity of their borrowers, seeing their exchange history working with loaning of tokens to the people who have a superior potential for success of certainly ideal reimbursement incredibly. The brain science of clients in a real sense assumes an essential part in the crypto market feeling. Costs for the most part are exceptionally delicate to the group's psychological methodology towards giving a push to any crypto token. Aave also essentially is no exemption. The latency that at first played for Aave in last year in a real sense is no more there, as the very token has commonly acquired client trust, bringing benefit for financial backers and dealers, or so they thought. The downswing that in every practical sense played for Aave in 2020 vanished in the background of its mechanical arrangements in an unpretentious manner. A much of the time and distinctly noticed characteristic of Aave is that it has shown the most sporadic and fluctuating way of behaving. Showing ideal bullish patterns, it shocks with descending bear nailing down development. Aave cost is said to record a decent pinnacle of $189.48, the base cost of $128.84 before the year's over 2022, which it most certainly makes certain to scale. As per the most recent long-haul conjecture, Aave cost will hit $228 toward the finish of 2022 and a similar cost $228 toward the finish of 2023. The next few years will show up as a smooth time for Aave. As per our Aave cost forecast 2022, the cost could exchange around $198.52 before the current year's over. The value expectations of different specialists don't by and large prevent the coin from beating the adversary coins by and especially implies. Aave People Group has set higher benchmarks for itself, regardless. Aave will really outperform the assumptions for all cryptographic money financial backers who have found this stage very intuitive and simple. The ongoing cost of Aave certainly weights around $146.32 with a market capitalization of $1,952,817,652.22 with an exchanging volume of $305,349,990.34 in a significant manner. Aave Value Forecast 2023. With any progressions engulfed, strategies and guidelines, Aave cost may too have its portion of murky days, which is very huge. Aave cost ought to cruise serenely at $249.73 or max show homage $224.67, making it not dive, however play reliable. Aave Value Expectation 2024. Aave cost pattern for the most part has been very forceful, prompting an exceptionally hopeful development way. The coin might fill quickly, particularly for coalitions. New organizations would in a real sense carry Aave convention to the spotlight, making it the middle stage for speculations and a socially regarded digital money, taking Aave cost around $241.23. Aave Value Forecast 2025. Simultaneously, more exchanges will be executed as time passes, which might demonstrate an extreme test for digital currencies that are opponents of Aave. The cost skyline for the most part is really splendid for Aave. It doesn't exclusively rely upon decentralization. As per our cost forecasts, Aave could exchange around the $335.63 mark toward the finish of 2025. Aave Value Expectation 2026 in an unpretentious manner, having seen a huge DApp reception in the truly last year that drove the cost of Aave. From the very outset of 2026, Aave basically has stamped gigantic development. In the beginning of 2026, it could generally cross the $303.98 cost mark, however later confronted remedy and keep on exchanging around $275.96. The token is acquiring prevalence among financial backers, and the Aave cost is set to take off to a typical cost of $272.95 before the current year's over in a quite enormous manner. Does Aave have a future? Aave is one cryptographic money that will have a brilliant future. Riding the crypto wave, Aave will lead the crypto realm. Thus, for of installment, it would truly have a long rule. Is Aave better than Bitcoin? With regards to exchange speed and expenses, Aave by and large is without a doubt commonly better compared to Bitcoin, or so they thought. A typical time taken for handling an exchange by Aave is not really 2.5 seconds, far in front of Bitcoin, or so they generally thought. Will Aave cost reach $1,000? As indicated by some cost expectations, we could see the Aave cost might reach $1,000 before the finish of 2021. Financial backers in a real sense are educated to keep track regarding market development as opposed to anticipating that the Aave cost should rise tomorrow alone. Is Aave a wise interest? Incredibly. A very unexpected level of effort is dependably prudent for Aave cost. There shouldn't generally be any heartbreaks nor any over-upbeat clarifications required, assuming you contribute nicely and watch the anticipated patterns in the business sectors. Is Aave a trick or genuine? In spite of all discussions and debates, Aave cost uncovers an extremely sound and dynamic environment where could I, all things considered, at any point purchase Aave. At this moment, you can especially purchase Aave at major crypto trades, including Binance. When you have extremely your exchanging account arrangement at one of the trades that exchange